Hi friends, in this video we are going to see ERC. ERC explain with reference to the context. 3 ERC will be given. In your examination, you are often given lines from poem and you are asked to explain these lines with reference to the context. You have to answer for 2. Each ERC carries 3 marks. Altogether you will be having 6 marks. It must be divided into 3 parts: context, explanation, comment. In the first paragraph, that is context, identify the name of the poem and identify the name of the author. You can start writing like this. The line or lines are taken from the poem and mention from which poem the line or lines have been taken from and mention the name of the author. For example, this question is taken from first poem, Confessions of a Once Upon a Time. I have learned to wear many faces. Context is, this line is taken from the poem Once Upon a Time written by Gabriel Okara. In the second paragraph, you have to explain the meaning of the lines in your own words. First, you should write the literal meaning of lines. Second, you should also explain the significance of the lines in that particular context. You should also explain if any inner or hidden meaning if the line suggests. Now let's come to the third paragraph, that is comment. Identify the immediate context or circumstances. That is, you have to point out what provokes the speaker to utter the given lines in the question. You should explain tone, mood, mindset of the speaker who utters the lines. You should also point out the figure of speech, if any, used in the line. This is a short and simple way to write a reference to the context.